to take you for a walk. That is the front entrance, and now we're gonna go for a walk to the beach, down to Playa Poppy. Buen día, amigo.
Buenas tardes.
Or I should say buenas tardes. ¿Cómo está?
Bien, ¿usted?
Ah, muy bien, gracias. So we're gonna walk down here. This leads you right to Playa Poppy from the Oasis residence. I left at 2:18, so I'll see what the time is, just walking at a normal leisurely pace. You're gonna get you can get moto conchos on the road. They have the green jackets. I was just informed by a contact here. Pay them 100 pesos. They can take you to Superpola, which is one of the major supermarkets. And there's also Supermercado Lindo. So I'm gonna see if I can film it, if I can get a moto concho. But let's get to the beach, the best part. This is some of the residences here. And again, this is walking, so I'll tell you a time. So far it's like, what, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Get to the front. Let's see if I can go along here. It's a little bit wet, but who cares? Now we're up to 2.5 minutes, so you're looking about 3 minutes walk to the beach. And then I'm gonna try this out, but that restaurant right there, La Dolce Vita, is supposed to be one of the best Italian restaurants. And the property is right away from Playa Poppy. So these are the beautiful beaches right in front of our residence. So our residence is right where you see that green sign there. You walk down the street, Avenida de Benelux, and you can see the beauty of what is our forever home now, and I consider it home. And all the way here, this is all Playa Poppy going into Las Ballanas. Then from Las Ballanas you go to Playa Bonita, Punta Bonita, and La Coson, and it's about 15 kilometers of beaches, and you don't see anyone on the beach whatsoever. Some boats out there, and this is pure paradise from your host. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the Fisherman's Village, and these are the restaurants on the beach from One Love all the way down. You can walk along the main road, I believe it's Calle Duarte, all the way along till you get here, or you can walk on the beach to here. But again, these are all the restaurants that serve French bistro. There's a place called One Love, owned by a Canadian whose name is Barry. So again, these are near the Fisherman's Village, and right across the street from these is Mosquito Bar and Grill, which I'm going to go to, or I should say Mosquito Bar, because they have a separate establishment for eating that's just for drinking. right now. It goes from Playa Poppy, which goes all the way along that tip, and then it comes right on to, I would say, the famous Las Ballanas beach. So this is the starting of Las Ballanas, going all the way around the tip there, which I'm going to walk down to now. But right now there's some seaweed on the beach, nothing anywhere close to Punta Cana or a lot of places around the world because they've had some storms. So that's why it is the way it is. But normally these beaches, just like the ones we just walked on, are clear, clear, clear. But even then, this is still clear compared to a lot of places, including Punta Cana. Las Terrenas, and I've got a furry friend here with me. So as you can see, this is the main strip. You can drive, everything leads to the beach. So you've got some of the guys on the motoconchos, and you can see they're taking around. It's a lot faster than, per se, a taxi, and they can go places that a car can't. But this is the main road here. It's covered with a lot of sand right now, but you can see that underneath here there is like a rock wall or rock road, bricked road, like interlock. These are some of the residences here, but absolutely pristine. They had pretty bad storms, so there goes my furry friend again. But he seems to be following me, or she, as the case may be. Maybe thinks I have some food. So here we go. It's starting to even out. There's a couple of restaurants along this way. La Sola is right over there, and you can see the sun is coming out, and that's where all the jewels of Las Terrenas shine. You can tell from here it's just absolutely gorgeous. Simply paradise. And if you let a little bit of seaweed bother you, then you really shouldn't even be coming to the Caribbean, nonetheless thinking about living here, because that's what it's all about right there. Beautiful. Absolutely. When you say about paradise, that's paradise right there. I love this place. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all of this here. This is absolutely beautiful. Playa Las Ballanas. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Without my wife, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you, love. I love you. And in 4 months, we're coming back home in April. Looking for a mini market, there's one right there, which I'm now getting used to. La Fenice is a residence there. You can buy condos roughly around 115,000 for a little bit less size than what we bought. A gated security right off the beach. So if you walk along here, go around the point here. That's residence of Venice. then I might even check out this place. That looks pretty cool. I don't know what time it's open, but looks very scenic. That is a youth hostel where you see that Jeep. And I'm sure you could get some great prices there. And that's Huracano Restaurant. Regal. It's a beach hostel. So we're walking along the beach now. You've got the boardwalk there. You've got another restaurant here. So many. There's, from what I've read online, people have estimated close to 80 restaurants. You know, there's so many to count. Who really knows? But this is another one here. Now, who wouldn't want to retire here, come down here every year and have your feet right in the ocean. Look at this. Woo! Can't wait for my wife to come down here in April for my birthday even. So, aniversario. Or cumpleaños, I should say. Birthday. Aniversario is anniversary. And my Spanish is growing and growing all the time. You'll see some boats. As we walk, right now we're on a beautiful stretch of beach. Just maybe 3 minutes walk down from our place, another 3 minutes walk, and you're on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stretch of beach. Absolutely, as my wife would say, godness. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Just paradise. Here you can drive, well, you can't drive your quad on the beach, but you can drive it to a parking area over here. They seem to have beach chairs. I don't know if this is for, you have to pay for them or not. Probably you do, but it might be like a couple of pesos to give you an idea. Like 1 pesos, or I should say $1 American is equal to 50 pesos. So you might pay $1 maybe to rent one of those chairs there. We round the corner, as we round the corner here, just untouched beaches, nobody here at all. Wow. Let's do some adventure now.